will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will show no fear.
We're off, and no matter where we roam, although the might Goose is gathering, Goose is sure to find her home.
Runways clear, the path will take off dear. We must play our part.
Honk at him, I hear his cabin lights are rather dim.
Toss away, our elves play must start.
We're off on a wild goose chase,
And a simple mission, position the whereabouts of your farm. We're off and unless we're blown into kingdom come, we won't be back until we found your mom.
But we don't know where his farm is yet. How are we going to plan the route?
Don't worry, I'll navigate.
Oh, that's what I was afraid of.
We're off on a wild goose chase. It's a thankless task, but we have to do it as well as we. We're off to solve this problem. For what will be grander than having a gander or a war missing us.
Oh, excuse me, sir. That tail's advancing for the rear.
Excuse me, I think we've spoken before on the subject of your spectacles, Barnacles. Get them checked. Cattails do not advance. One of the things they are most famous for is being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky. Thought I'd lost you.
Stand back, all round peck.
You excuse my quaking legs. I'm going to be Goose.
What are you doing here?
I've come to take you home. Your mother's been carrying on something fearful.
My mother? You've seen my mother.
Of course. She sent me to fetch you, special envoy.
Listen here, Cat. I'm in command around here, and my squadron has taken personal charge of the duckling's safe return to his mother.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns?
We will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
It's their party, butterfly. We want to.
Silence in the ranks!
Perhaps I can give assistance. I'll go over to the chute and I'll let you know when I'm picking up for the day.
Very well, but no funny business. I know several ways to skin your hide.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
We're off on a wild goose chase.
You may think it's wrong that us on such songs can perform this role. We are off and we'll prove that's not the case.
Our boy, back, and then return to base. Company, present instrument. Company, play. We are about to face our most perilous fishing to date. I need hardly tell you of the risks involved or of the ultimate price we may have to pay. As we fly on to glory, I want you all to know how very proud I am of this squadron. Keep a slip of a beat, men, and remember our motto, Semper Victoriam non pate de foie gras.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot. I am your senior flight attendant. And on behalf of Captain Greylag, I would like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight from Bonnie Marshlands to some far from farm. We will be cruising at an altitude of 7 feet and flying in a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask that you please observe the safety procedures we have been through so many
on one of my lives.
Good. All right, men. Final check. Oh, and here's a parachute for you.
For me?
You don't think I'm going to leave you here with the duckling, do you? Oh, no, puss. You're coming with us.
Oh, cat litter.
Our wings are spread,
So don't delay.
our excess space will soon away. It's time.